Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is going to be a very exciting day because it is a Cartier filled day. I have two incredible pieces that I want to show you. We're going to have so much fun. We're going to style these pieces together and I'm going to show you how it works for day to day. So shall we get started? I am so excited. Okay, so in the box, what do we get? We have the jewelry pieces and a few things. I've already gone through the bag and sort of like, we have a travel pouch, receipts, authenticity card and that sort of thing. So that's always very good. Guys, I actually have three things to show you. So I'm just gonna unbox everything and then I can show you as we go along. Now, if you remember in my previous video, I'd mentioned that I wanted to get a particular piece that I was waiting for at my boutique. And let's just say we had a field day at Cartier because I got two pieces and I also have something exquisite to show you that I will be styling with my Cartier pieces. So before we dive into Cartier, I have to show you this because I'm in love. I received the most beautiful lab-grown diamond pendant from Angara. I've been wearing this non-stop, but I put it back in the box just to show you and then I'm going to put it back on. Now, we need a moment of silence for this beautiful diamonds that I'm about to show you. I love that. So this Angara lab-grown diamond pendant is honestly so beautiful. I'm gonna put this on by itself so you can see the beauty of the pendant as it is. What you notice is how your Angara diamond pendant elevates any outfit, whether that's a simple t-shirt with jeans, which I'm practically in for every day, or an evening dress layered with some of my other jewelry for a special occasion. But that's the beauty of it, the versatility. You can dress it up, dress it down, and it still feels timeless. It becomes your everyday diamond. Now, if you're tempted, and I wouldn't blame you, use my code Benita12 for 12% off plus a free jewelry gift. You'll also receive your certificate of authenticity. Angara uses full traditional UK hallmark, which includes all 5 official marks when the gold jewelry is 1 gram or above, so you know you're getting genuine quality. I just love the way it sparkles. Their pieces come with a beautiful shopping bag, a beautiful box, and of course your certificate of authenticity. The beautiful thing about this diamond pendant as well, you can wear it on its own, but also you can actually layer it with your existing pieces and it just elevates your jewelry look. So I'll bring you closer. I've styled here my Angara diamond pendant with my Cartier Trinity. I mean, how beautiful is that? I feel like a diamond solitaire pendant like this is a piece that every woman needs in her jewelry collection because it just elevates your look even further, you know? So if you have like quite a statement piece, I feel like something nice and simple and classic like this Angara pendant really just elevates your look. I love it so much. And I think I'm actually going to keep it on for the duration of this video. So also, how genius is this? On the Angara website, I really love how you can adjust the skin tone of the model. So that way you can actually envision what the pendant would look like on you depending on your skin tone. I thought that was quite clever actually. I've never seen that before. I found it so incredible how easy to navigate the Angara website was. So thank you so much Angara for sending me this beautiful diamond pendant. So ladies and gents, shall we dive straight into Cartier? I have to pin this mic because I am the most excited girl in the world right now. I apologize for any like loud bird noises you can hear from my window. It's quite a warm day today in London and all the birds are outside and they're happy and I'm happy as well, but just in case the noise is annoying, I apologize. So ladies and gentlemen, which one should we start with first? I say we start with this one. I'm sure you probably remember from my previous video where I showed you something that I got this Christmas. I'll show you what's in here first and then I can put this on and then we can style it together. So I'd inquired about this beautiful piece and it's finally mine. I present to you, this is the Cartier Clash necklace and this is the classic. This is the Clash de Cartier in a size small and it is honestly so beautiful. This one is in the color yellow gold. It's got these like little details here. So I am a huge fan of the Cartier Clash collection. The Clash was actually introduced in 2019 by Cartier. It's sort of like a modern rebellious take on jewelry. I have quite a lot of Cartier jewelry, but I personally fell in love with the Clash. I felt like the piece had a bit of an edge to it, as opposed to like the classic sort of safe designs that Cartier had been doing for many years. So I got the Cartier Clash earrings for Christmas. This one is also in the small size. So I have these two beautiful pieces to pair together. I also have the Clash bracelet and the matching ring, which I got a few years ago. I love the Clash collection so much. Like, I would get all the Clash pieces if I could. So before I put this on, I'm going to show you the second piece that I got from Cartier, and then we can put everything on and have a field day styling these, because I'm in love. That's all I can tell you. So the second Cartier piece I got, this is the Clash necklace, just like the previous one. So this is the second piece that I got from Cartier. This one is the classic small size, and this one is the small size with pavé diamonds. I hope you can actually see a difference. I don't know if my camera's picking that up properly, but I will show you close up what these both look like on. I'm just gonna zoom in for you just so you can see that. Are you gonna focus, camera? Please focus. Thank you. So that is the small pavé Clash necklace, and this is the small classic Clash de Cartier. I hope you're seeing that properly. Don't worry, I will put these on immediately. I'm gonna start with my stack, which would actually match the necklace and the earrings. So I have my Clash ring, I have my Panther Cartier watch in the small size, I have my Clash bracelet also in the small size, I have my Justin Clou also in the small size. I'm gonna take off these earrings. These are Trinity earrings, which I also am obsessed with. I love the Trinity line very much. Now we're gonna do the Cartier Clash earrings. Okay, so wow, I love these so much. I love these so much. These are honestly favorite earrings I have in my entire jewelry collection. Is Clash. When you look at the design of it, it's sort of got these very like edgy, almost studded looking pieces. Beautiful rounded circle shape, and you have your stopper there as well, which is also round, and I just think it's so beautiful. So beautiful. What do you think? I've also got my Angara piece on as well. So this, I would say, is quite a classic look. You know, it's perfect for every day. And then of course you can transform that even further with adding more jewelry pieces to what you're currently wearing. So let's start with the classic Clash necklace. This one is not the pavé one, just the classic one with no diamonds. So definitely gonna have to go to the mirror to do this. Hold on. Dun, 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 dun. This is the classic Clash. Okay, now I'm gonna try on the pavé necklace. And the goal here is I want like a layered look. Put that just below there like that and show you what that looks like. All I can say as well, I mean, when I bought this piece, I envisioned myself wearing like a beautiful silk maxi dress. It's very simple and minimal, and the jewelry just speaks for itself. And that's what I love about Cartier. Like, the pieces are just wow. So we have the classic. I feel like the pavé sort of makes the gold a bit lighter just because like those diamonds. And then you've got like the classic gold, and you've got this. And I wonder if maybe I can move that up a bit so it's like just like that. But yeah, my goal was to layer these pieces. I just love it so much. It is exactly what I pictured and what I had in mind when I wanted to add a Clash necklace to my collection. I just think it's so beautiful. I've also picked something that I think would work really well with this stack. My ideal gold pendant. Do you remember when I showed you this when I unboxed my Cartier Benoit watch? I love this piece so much. It's another really good everyday jewelry piece, but look at this. Look at this. Wow. You could actually create a beautiful stack like this. I just love that sort of like layered look of like a beautiful array of pieces together. I just think that's so beautiful. And now that I have these Cartier pieces, I'm gonna have a field day in my jewelry closet, just styling and having so much fun, because I just love this so much. I think it's just so pretty and it makes me so happy. I just love the coordination now that I get with these pieces, because it's always good when something matches. Just takes the guesswork away, for me anyway. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.